In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an event registration page on Squarespace. If you're looking to host an event and need a streamlined way to handle registrations, Squarespace offers a flexible and user-friendly solution. Let's walk through the process step by step to get your event page all set up with a registration form. First, you'll want to start by navigating to the event page where you'd like to add your registration form. If you haven't set up your event page yet, make sure to do that first. Once you're viewing your event page, look for the option to edit. This is usually represented by a pencil icon or the word edit. Once you're in edit mode, you'll be able to make changes to your event page and get it ready for your attendees to register. Next, let's add the form. You'll want to locate an insert point on your event page. An insert point is typically indicated by a little teardrop icon that appears when you hover over sections of your page. Click on this icon, and you'll see various options you can add to your page. Out of these options, you're going to select Form. This will add a basic form layout to your event page. Now it's time to customize your form fields according to the information you'll need from your attendees. Think about what's essential for your event. At a minimum, you'll probably want to collect names, email addresses, and the number of attendees. Simply click on each field to edit it. You can add new fields or remove existing ones based on your specific needs. Make sure everything is clearly labeled to make the registration process as straightforward as possible for your guests. With the form fields all set up, your next step is to determine where the form submissions will be sent. Under the Storage tab, you can configure where you'd like to store this information. You have a variety of options like email, Google Drive, or MailChimp, depending on how you plan to manage the registrations. For example, selecting email will send each new registration directly to your inbox, whereas integrating with MailChimp might streamline your follow-up communication. Once your storage preferences are confirmed, it's time to align the design of your form with the overall style of your event page. Head over to the Design tab to adjust colors, fonts, and other stylistic choices. This ensures that the registration form feels cohesive with the rest of your site, creating a seamless experience for those signing up. Finally, when you're satisfied with both the function and look of your form, click Save. This action will add the form to your event page. Test it yourself to ensure everything works as expected. Now you're ready to start gathering registrations, laying the groundwork for a successful event. Thank you for joining me today. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on managing your site.